and it's an exercise ride, but probably not a long one. It's day 3 of the worst parts of the wildfire smoke in Canada. So we're going to take kind of a short ride. You can see the skyline today. The air is improving. I'm wearing a mask because I'm just taking a precaution since I'm exercise riding, so the air is not back to 100% clear. So you'll see some people with masks, some without. It's a mixed bag. Maybe if you're taking a short stroll, maybe you don't need the mask as much, but see a little bit of a haze. Yeah, we gotta adjust that rear brake caliper. I put it really out of alignment. There you go, this is the haze. Downtown, Midtown, Central Park Tower. So this is an exercise ride, so I'm gonna, a short exercise ride, but we're gonna go up to Sunday night.